Hello, it's another great day for math. This is question 9. Now, the main topic is obviously mensuration, but you realize that you will have to bring in other concepts because when we talk about areas, volumes, and all that, we actually talk about lengths and even angles. And as you would see in the rest of this question, lengths and angles of particular shapes, especially right angle triangles that you could see now, will involve either Pythagoras theorem or even a bit of Trigonometry, right? So let's see how we use these concepts. So we have this triangle and it's a cross section of a prism with the following lengths and angles. Okay, everything is mostly written there. Now we have to show that AN, which is this length here in green, is 5.74. Now a little tip for everyone, to show that it's 5.74, we should at no point of time make use of the fact that AN is 5.74. We should only come to that conclusion at the end to verify that it is 5.74. Okay, so if we just focus on that triangle, because of this 90 degrees here, clearly the other side will be 90, and actually we already just have a right angle triangle here. Okay, so right angle triangle, like we said, we're going to use either Pythagoras theorem or Trigo, and I hope that you should know by now we are using Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is equals to AN square plus BN square. So AB square is 7 square, AN square is what we're going to find out. We're going to solve it, and DN square is 4 square. So some of you are very fast. You know it's actually just the square root of 7 square minus 4 square, square root 33, and to 5SF first, it's 5.745, which is to 3SF, 5.74 cm, exactly what they want us to show. So that's how we come to the conclusion. I repeat, at no point at the beginning do we make use that AN is 5.74, but we only verify it at the end. Right, so that's part A, done. Now in part B, find the volume of this prism. So basically this is a prism with a constant cross-section area. We just need to know the entire area and multiply it by the length of 20, where we get the volume. Okay, so let's first find the area of this side, triangle ABC. So if you go back to the most basic area of a triangle, once we know the base and the height, oh sorry, I mixed it up. The base here and the height, they are perpendicular to one another, we can find the area of that triangle. So right now we are actually lacking NC. We know BN, but we need NC. And NC is part of this triangle in red. Another right angle triangle on this side, which I will redraw here. 32 CAN. AN is, I'm going to use the more accurate 5.745 here. It's right angle. So naturally, we are going to use Trigo now, which is Tuakaso. Alright, to find our length of NC. Let's call it X, okay? So labeling, this is opposite to the 32, this is adjacent. So we are going to use, very good, the tangent ratio. So the tangent of 32 is going to be 5.745, the opposite side, divided by X. And X, after cross multiplying, will be 5.745 divided by tangent 32. Not going to be a nice answer. It's going to be, again, rounded off to around 9.19325 SF cm to phi SF. Okay, so we have found this, meaning we now know the length of NC, approximately 9.1932. Therefore, the total area of that triangle, ABC, is half times the base of 4 plus 9.1932 times the height of 5.745. Now everyone, please note that we used the answers with more accuracy, more significant figures, more decimal place. Okay, this will ensure that our final answer is as accurate as possible. So this will give us approximately 37.897, and now when I multiply it to the length of 20, as shown in the diagram, I will get the full volume of the prism, which should be, now since this is the final answer, it will be 758 centimeter cube to 3 significant figures. And we're done.